Hello everybody, today I want to talk you about how to change your name, your Facebook name to one name on iPhone. I just want to say that be careful with that videos. I know that this is an awful information because I know that you want how you can put one name on Facebook, but the ugly truth is that not is possible. Okay, in that videos I watched these videos 10 or 5 minutes ago, and in all these videos the people say that you need to use a VPN, get your VPN and put in India or put in Asia countries, and then you can change your name. Not is possible, okay? Not is possible, and is really weird. In that videos you can watch the people say that use your VPN, that use your link in your description. Is so weird. Be careful with that information, okay? Not is true. You cannot put your profile with one name, okay? If you look in your Facebook, you can watch that any person have that option. And if you watch example in India or Asia, the people save always two names or three names, never one name, okay? Not is possible. Now Facebook release a new update, one times for web or two times for web, okay? Facebook release a lot of updates, and maybe before 2 or 3 years ago that is possible, but in this moment not is possible, okay? Facebook evolve all time and don't permit or don't let you put one name on Facebook, okay? Only one say be careful with that videos and get that weird and awful VPNs, because not is true that's option, okay? I just want to say that. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.